Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Amrit Kashyap, and today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a HTML table, a table on HTML. Okay, so first, I'm going to share my screen. Okay, uh, share screen share. Okay, screen is shared. So first, you have to go to the search Notepad. Oh, wait. Notepad. Okay. So you can make HTML files on any writing system, but I mainly use Notepad because according to me it is more comfortable. Okay. So first we have to write for the basic one. We have to write in this exclamation mark doc type. Okay, and then close this. But this is not important, so I usually don't write it. I just write HTML. Okay, and then I close it. And then I go and write the head. Wait, head. Okay, and after head, I if you want to give a title to the site or the page you are creating, you can write the title. Okay, title. I'm just giving the title as table. Okay, table. Then we write title again. Title. But this time we have to close the title. So while closing the title, we can do it like this. Okay. So then after this, okay. After this, we have to go and close the head as well. Okay. Then yes, head. We have to close the head, and to close any text, to close any part of the HTML file, we use the slash mark. Okay. So next we have to open the body, and in the body we have to open a tag, an HTML tag known as table. Okay. And after table we have to write T. No, we have to write TR. So TR means table row. TR, table row, and then TH. No. After this, we have to write like this. TH. This means table heading. Now, table heading has a special property, that which means that which means that the what should we the text which is given in the table heading go just becomes automatically bold. Okay, so when this happens, we so for example we are making a table of a menu. Okay, so I would write th menu. Okay, menu. And for example I have to make two columns, so I would write first I would close this th. Okay, and then I would wait, then close this th, close it. Okay, so then I would go here and then write col means column, span. So for example, if this much is the table area, and this table is divided into two columns, like this is the table area from here to here, from here to here, and this is divided into two columns. Okay, then the heading will be of the width of two columns. Okay, call span is equal to 2. Okay, then this is it. Then we have to close the table row as well, table row tr. Okay, then we again have to open the tr. Wait, str. Then we have to write td. Td means table data. Okay, So after the table data, we have to write anything that is the in the data in the data of the table. For example, the first item name is O and you can give multiple table headings. For example, this th I have given again th. Then I am not giving any special property here. I write item name, okay, and then I close the table heading, and then I am again writing the table heading, which is uh, price, okay, price, and then I am writing close being close. Oh wait, I have to close this again, okay. After closing this, we can close the tr as well, table row as well, okay. After closing the table row, we have to open a new table row and write td in it, which is table data. And in table data, we can write anything that regards the data of the table. For example, the first food name is burger. Okay. And for context, I'm just giving an emoji. Okay. And then I have to close the table data, td. And then again, I'm writing, opening the table data, and then I have to write the price. For example, the burger is for the price of 45 rupees. Oh, wait, there isn't a rupees sign here, so I have to write rupees myself. Rupees, okay. And after that, we have to close the table data, td, okay. So then we have to close the table row as well, slash tr, okay. And we can do anything which is the same like this. For example, I just copied it and then we have to paste it. Instead of burger, I'm going to write fries, french fries, okay. And then this, and instead of 45 rupees, it is 50 rupees. Oh wait, yes, it is 50 rupees. 850, no, only 50, okay. Why is this messing up? 50 rupees, okay. And then I just go to the next line, and then again paste it, and instead of burger I write pizza, okay. And then in pizza I give this emoji as well, and instead of 45 rupees it is 100 rupees, okay. And then I'm going to give Pepsi. This is just a small idea because I had made a table which was much better than this. I'm just giving you a beginner level idea of how to make a table, okay. Pepsi, and then there isn't any emoji for it, so I'm just going to cut it, and then let's see what does it make us for Pepsi. No Pepsi. Wait. Drink. Uh, it is not giving any emoji for Pepsi or any drink. Let's type cola. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Any no emoji here as well. Okay. So instead of 45 rupees, it is only 20. Oh, I accidentally wrote 50. It is only 20. So after that, we have to close the instead we have to close the table, the body, and the HTML. Okay. For example, here we can close the table. Oh, wait. table, why it is a table, table, and then we can close multiple tags in just one line. Okay, so like this, I'm using the body again. So be careful to close the tags in order you have placed them. The tag you have placed at the last should come at the first. For example, here I had placed the table at the last, then body, and then I had placed the HTML, which was at the beginning. And but here I had closed the head and the title as well, so that those tags do not count here. So table, then body, and then I have to close HTML. Okay, HTML. Okay. So I had written HTML in capital, so it is important for me to write HTML in capital here as well. Okay, so just go ahead and save it like this, and be sure to get the name of. I'm just going to write menu dot html. If you don't write dot html, it will not be considered as a HTML file. Okay, so instead of going it in, I'm just going to save it on the desktop. Okay, and on desktop this is the menu. Okay, I just opened it. Here it did not, it does not show any lines. So if I go here and go in the table, uh, I am just going to write border is equal to 5. No, no, no. 5. Yes. Now then again I save it and go here and yes, it is it. So as you can see here, there are two columns here, and due to call span and due to call span 2, the menu is of the same, the heading which comes of menu is of the same width as those two. So you can just go ahead and create many different files like this. For example, I had created a file which I have deleted, so might be here. No, it is not here. It is in my folder only. Let's open this. Where is it? Not commonly used things. Yes, this might be it. Yes, this is it. I had created this. It took a lot of time, but I had created this. For example, there is food menu, and you can see that the font is different in the headings, the text, it is different. We can just go into this code. The code is very complicated. I had to look up the special attributes on my book. Okay, so open with notepad. Okay, so this is the code. Look how large the code is. And here, this is the most complicated code that I had written it. Okay. There are more complicated code in HTML, but I had written this here. Okay. So, no, 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 no. That was all for today's video. And have a nice day. Please like and subscribe if and share if you found it informative. Okay.